Good morning, everyone. My name is Pranav Lihe. I am from NTTF Murbad. My course name is Diploma in Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing. My shop talk topic is lapping process. Here is the content of my shop talk. What is lapping? Types of lapping, surface finish produced by lapping, application, advantage and disadvantages. What is lapping? Lapping is a super finishing process which is used to achieve high level of accuracy and surface finish on a workpiece. Lapping is carried out with the help of abrasive. Abrasives are mixed with oil, paraffin. The mixture of abrasive paraffin is known as an abrasive slurry, which is acting as a cutting element. The slurry is placed on the plate, which is called as a lapping plate. Lapping plate is made up of close grade cast iron, copper, etc. Types of lapping. Hand lapping. First, the plate is coated with the abrasive material, which is in the form of paste. The workpiece is rubbed over the lapping plate by applying a small pressure manually in a head shape. The plate having 12 grooves for retain the lapping paste. Second is machine lapping. It is used for finishing large quantities of similar parts. This machine involves rotating lapping plate and conditioner ring. The conditioner ring provides seat for the workpiece. And these rings rotate and the rub workpiece against the lapping plate. Surface finish produced by lapping. Roughness value RAMU is 0.05. Roughness grade number is N2. RAMU micrometer. Conversion of 0.05 micrometer in mm is 0.0005 millimeter. Applications. They are used in precision engineering, creating high accuracy parts such as bearing, gears, and shafts. In tooling, manufacturing precision tools like die, molds, and slip gauge. Advantages. We can achieve extremely high level of surface finish on a workpiece. Less heat generate in lapping. Whenever we are lapping on both sides of the workpiece at a time, then we can achieve extremely high accuracy in fatness and parallelism. It is a slow process because material removal rate is slow. The process is simple, but required tools are expensive. Thank you.